Cooking using induction leads to more accurate and spot-on temperature control, providing a wide range of temperatures. You should find your temperature adjustments a lot more instantaneous when cooking using induction technology. Cook times may often be shorter than your favorite recipes because the burners heat faster. Induction cooking can also improve the distribution of heat to your dish, helping to ensure an even temperature across your recipe. This cooktop has some built-in safety features such as auto shutoff when no pan is detected on a burner. It can also sense when a pan is too far from the center of the burner or is incompatible with induction. When this occurs, the indicator light will begin flashing and then shut off. There is also a heat indicator light to let you know when the surface has cooled. Once cooled, the glass surface on the induction range is easy to clean. There are no crevices for food to fall into or heating elements that will soil over time, and there are no heavy burner grates to move.